Do you want to build a virtual proctoring solution in your app? Stick around. I'll show you the services that you can use to build this out quickly. Today's episode comes from Raj. Raj is an engineering student in Pune, India. Raj wants to build an app that detects if a student is cheating on an exam and notifies the professor if a student might be cheating. Let's hear from Raj.
Hi, I'm Raj. I'm a computer engineering junior at VIT Pune. When the pandemic started, there was no easy way for common teachers to conduct remote examinations and be sure that the integrity of the exams is maintained. I wanted to build a platform for remote examinations which will allow teachers, professors, and educators at all levels to easily organize cheating-free remote examinations and provide them with an easy-to-use platform which they can rely on. At the same time, provide the students with a platform on which they can trust.
Awesome, Raj. Let's dive in. The test taker will use a laptop, a camera, and a microphone. At the beginning of an exam, the candidate will have to allow the app to access their camera and microphone. The test taker's video and audio will be sent to the cloud for analysis through a secure connection. The video stream will be captured by Amazon Kinesis video streams. Kinesis video streams allows you to process and store media streams for playback, analytics, and machine learning. When streaming videos to Kinesis video streams, there will be a producer and a consumer. A producer is any source that puts data into a Kinesis video stream. A producer can be any video generating device such as a smartphone, camera, or a laptop camera. In Raj's case, the test taker's camera from their laptop will stream their video to Kinesis video streams. Once the video is streamed to Kinesis video streams, the consumers get the data such as fragments and frames to view, process, or analyze it. You can write back-end applications that consume and process data in Kinesis video streams in real time or after the data is durably stored and time indexed. The video stream will be consumed by Amazon Recognition Video. Recognition Video is a machine learning powered video analysis service that can be used to provide highly accurate facial analysis and facial search capabilities. Amazon Recognition Video will analyze your live video streams in real time to detect and search for faces. By providing a stream from Amazon Kinesis video streams as an input to Recognition Video, you can search through faces against a repository of your own images with very low latency. Recognition Video returns a confidence score between 0 and 100 that you can use to determine if the proctor should be notified to review the playback of the incident in which the test taker might have cheated. For each analyzed frame, Amazon Recognition Video outputs a JSON record to a Kinesis data stream. The JSON record includes information about the streaming video, the status for the analyzed frame, and information about faces that are recognized in the frame. AWS Lambda functions will process the results that Recognition Video sends to the Kinesis data stream. Lambda allows you to run code without managing servers. You'll want to run a lot of simulations of cheating and not cheating in an exam in order to determine other behaviors or metrics that can increase your application's accuracy. You can create a workflow in AWS Step Functions based on the confidence score that Recognition returns. Step Functions is a low-code visual workflow service used to orchestrate AWS services, automate business processes, and build serverless applications. With Step Functions, you can create branching logic to determine what your application should do in a scenario. Let's say the confidence score is 70. Raj might not think that's high enough to assume that the test taker is cheating by ending the exam. But if Raj finds it suspicious, then Raj would use Amazon's simple notification service to notify the proctor of suspicious test-taking activity. Simple Notification Service is a fully managed messaging service for both application-to-application and application-to-person communication. The proctor would then review the replay of the test taker taking the exam to determine if the test taker cheated. If Raj thinks that a score above 90 means there's no doubt that this test taker is cheating, then the application could trigger an AWS Lambda function to stop the exam. At the same time, a push notification will be sent to the proctor through simple notification service to inform the proctor of the candidate that cheated. I know, I covered a lot. Time for a recap. Stream video using Amazon Kinesis video streams. Use Amazon Recognition Video to determine if someone is cheating. Use AWS Step Functions to build workflows for Lambda functions. Notify the instructor using Amazon's simple notification service. That's how you can build a virtual proctoring solution. Make sure you check out the links below the video. It doesn't matter when you start as long as you just get started. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you soon.